Hello viewers, hope you all are fine and having some great fun. In this video you are going to learn how to sort text in Excel. For example, there are names given in first column and we want to arrange it from A to Z or Z to A. Both options are available in Excel. So first of all we will select this column and then go in Home tab, and here you can see Sort and Filter. Click on this and there are two options, Sort A to Z or Sort Z to A. First of all, I am selecting Sort A to Z. And now Excel is asking expand the selection. It means that if we expand the selection, then not only the name will be sorted but also their corresponding sale amount will be sorted. So yes, we want to expand this selection, sort. So you can see names are sorted from A to Z. And similarly, if you will select this column and go in Sort and Filter and click on Sort Z to A. And again, expand the selection, click Sort, and you can see the names are sorted as well. Their sale is also sorted. So this is how you can sort text in Excel. In the end, please like and share this video and subscribe our channel. Thank you.